Hello, my friends. Welcome to Yoga After 40, a channel where we embrace aging, where we're never too old and it's never too late to start your yoga journey. So for today, I have prepared a really nice flow that is going to help you stretch the whole body. It is all levels, so if you're a beginner, feel free to join us. And if you're an intermediate, this class will be really comfortable for you as well. So if you're ready, today we're gonna start either in Sukhasana, easy pose, or you can come on a kneeling position like I'm sitting in here right now. So roll the shoulders back, lengthening the spine, and we're gonna take a deep breath in, rising the arms on the inhale, and then on the exhale, we're gonna take the right hand to the mat, and we're gonna start folding over the right arm. Keep lengthening through the left side of the body, so you feel the stretch. Now take a deep breath in, take the right arm up, and on the exhale, we drop the left hand to the mat, and right arm reaches all the way up to the sky, opening the right side of the body. And then inhale, take the left arm all the way up to meet the right. And on the exhale, we're gonna take the arms to cactus arms. So we're gonna take a micro back bending here. Keep lengthening the spine, keep reaching the arms back. So we're opening the heart. Just take a deep breath in. And on the exhale, open the mouth and sigh it out. Let go of anything that is bothering you. So inhale, take the arms all the way up. Exhale, bring the arms down. So we're coming into a tabletop. So transition however you can to your tabletop. Stacking the shoulders over the wrists and the hips over the knees. We're gonna tuck the toes and transition into your downward facing dog. So you can find movement in here, coming high on the toes, shaking your head yes, shaking the head no. Remember, keep sending your hips back and up, spreading all 10 fingers. Relaxing the neck, the face, and just do whatever feels good for you in here. Now find stillness, bring both heels back to the mat, and we're gonna take the right hand to the left foot and look under the left shoulder. Keep pressing through the left arm, keeping the shoulders engaged. You don't want to be sinking down on the left shoulder. Twisting, breathing in here. One last breath. And then we take the right hand back to the mat and the left hand to the right heel. Looking over under the right shoulder. Now take the left hand back to the mat. Look forward. And we're going to walk towards the front of the mat, 1 inch at a time. So take your time. There's no rush. And when you come to the front of the mat, come back to your heels. Inhale, lengthen, look up halfway. Exhale, fold forward. Coming into your ragdoll, we can grab opposite elbows and just rock side to side. Maybe you micro bend the knees, taking the chest closer to your thighs. Hanging heavy in here, releasing any tension on your lower back. And just let it go. Now take both hands to the mat. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. So we're gonna walk the left hand a few inches to the right, and we're gonna bend the left knee. So now your hand is pretty much in between your feet. Your feet are probably shoulders distance apart. Some people keep it a little bit wider. But just make sure that your hand is in between your feet. So again, bend the left knee and now reach the right arm up. Sending the hips back and up. Looking at the right fingertips for a twist. Keep looking at the right fingertips. Stay here. Or you can take a bind by taking the right arm around the back to grab your left inner thigh. Another option is to take a full bind, taking the left arm under the right arm, interlacing the hands behind the back. And if you want to try your bird of paradise, we're going to micro bend the right knee, engage the core, bring the left leg up. Once you're here, you can stay or you can start straining in the left leg. Make sure that you roll the shoulders back and you keep that core engaged. And then slowly we're gonna start coming down to the mat. Now we're gonna do the other side. Right hand goes to the mat. Make sure that your hand is in between your feet. Bend the right knee and now take the left arm up. Looking at the left fingertips. Keep twisting. Keep breathing. Stay or take a bind. Left arm reaches around the back to grab the right inner thigh. Right arm goes under. Interlacing both hands behind the back. Engage your core. Come up. Stay or start straightening in your right leg. Keep rolling the shoulders back. And then slowly we start coming back down with control. Now bring your left hand back to the mat. Take your feet mat width apart. Bend the knees coming into Yogi Squat, Malasana. So heels are flat on the mat, maybe not. And make sure that your knees are facing out. We're taking the elbows pressing towards the knees. Lengthening the spine, relaxing the shoulders, the neck, and the face. Now take your hands back to the mat, start straightening in the legs 1 inch at a time, and start walking your feet a little closer together. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Take the arms all the way up to the sky, lengthen the spine, gaze up. Now bring your hands to prayer. Standing up tall in here, spread all 10 fingers. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up. Exhale, fold forward, keep a flat back. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, step your left leg back, coming into a low lunge. Taking the left knee and toes to the mat, untuck your toes. Right knee stack over the right heel. And now take the arms all the way up. Sending the hips forward and up. Now take your hands behind your neck. And we're gonna start coming into the left knee, straightening in the right leg. Flex the right foot. Inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend the knee. Inhale, up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend the knees, sending the hips forward and up. Inhale, up. Exhale, fold. Last time. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend the knee. From here, we're gonna take the left hand to the mat and reach the right arm towards the left side. Opening the right side of the body. Now take your right hand to the mat and take the left arm up. Bring both hands to the mat. Start coming into the left knee, straightening in the right leg. And from here, we're gonna pivot the left foot out. We're gonna grab the inside of the right foot. Come flat on your left hand and now take your right leg up. Make sure that your left foot is facing out, so that's your kickstand. And now bend the knee, tiger pose. Roll the shoulders back. The more you kick into the hand, the more strength and balance you're gonna find. Now come back into your knees, and we're gonna come into a camel pose. So press yourself up, taking your hands to your lower back, roll the shoulders back, and just keep sending your hips forward and up. Opening your heart, keep rolling the shoulders back. You can stay here, you can take your right hand to your right foot, left hand to the left foot. Wherever you are, just be mindful of your spine, taking your hands to your lower back. Come back into your tabletop. Tuck your toes and push yourself into your downward facing dog. And we take a moment in here to reconnect to our breath. Now look forward and walk towards the front of the mat 1 inch at a time. So inhale, look up. Now step your right leg back. Coming into a low lunge, make sure that your left knee is stacked over the left heel. And now take the arms all the way up. Keep sending your hips forward and up. Now take your right hand to the mat and reach your left arm towards the right side. Maybe you take your right hand to blocks. Just keep opening the left side of the body. Now inhale, right arm goes up. Exhale, left hand goes to the mat. And we're taking a side stretching here. Inhale, left arm reaches up. On the exhale, we take the hands behind the neck. Start coming into the right knee. Inhale, flex your left foot. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend the knee. Inhale. Exhale, flex the foot so you stretch the left hamstring. Inhale. Exhale, use your breath to find your balance. Do it at your own pace. Softening the body with every inhale and every exhale. So be mindful of your breath and just be present. Take one more in here. Now we take both hands to the mat. We start straining in the left leg. We have the option to stay here or pivot your right foot out. That's your kickstand. Right hand goes flat to the mat. We grab the left foot and now we take the left leg up. You can stay here. You can bend the knee, kick into your hand. The more you kick into the hand, the more balance. Keep that core engaged. Make sure that you're rolling that left shoulder back. And from here, come into your tabletop, and we're taking a camel pose for the second time. Come back into your knees, taking your hands to your lower back. Roll the shoulders back. Open the heart, sending the hips forward and up. Stay here or take your hands to your heels, to blocks. And just breathe in here. And whenever you're ready to come out of the pose, be mindful of your spine. Take your hands to your lower back. Come back into your tabletop. Tuck your toes and push yourself into your downward facing dog. How does that feel? Taking one more breath in here.
Now bring your feet a little closer together. Inhale, sweep your right leg all the way up. Come high in the left toes. Bring the right knee to nose. Press the mat away, shift the weight forward so we're stacking the shoulders over the wrist. Core is engaged. We're building strength in here. Now step your right foot in between your hands. We pivot the back foot out. Right hand goes to the inside of the right foot. And take the left arm up. We're looking at the right side of the mat. Looking at the left fingertips. Remember, your back foot is on in 90 degrees, so that means that your left foot is facing the outside of the mat. From here, we're coming into a warrior two. Keep looking over the right shoulder. That's your future. Your left arm is your past. You don't want to look at your past. You look at your future. Flip your right hand. Reach forward. Now reach back. Make sure that you keep that front knee bent. And your right knee stack over the right heel. Come back into your warrior two. Now we're going to cartwheel the arms down, framing the right leg. Step your right leg back, coming into a high plank. Press the mat away. Keep that core engaged. We're over the toes. Come back into your downward facing dog. Great job, guys. Now reconnect to your breath in here. We got this. Age is just a number, guys. Now sweep your left leg all the way up. Come high on the right toes. Bring the left knee to nose. Shift the weight forward. Press the mat away. Engage your core. We're getting stronger as we age, right? We step the left foot in between the hands. We take the left hand to the outside, the inside of the left foot, and the right arm goes up. Look at the right fingertips. Come into your warrior two. Remember, strong arms in here. Your hands are facing the mat. Flip your left hand. Reach forward. And now reach back. Keep opening the left side of the body. Keep the inner thighs engaged. Stay strong in here. Come back into your warrior two. Cartwheel the arms down, framing the left leg. Step your right leg back. Hold it in here for 1, 2, 3. Come back into your downward facing dog. Come to your knees, taking your child's pose, either knees together or mat width apart. And start sinking the chest towards the mat. You can take your arms around the legs, taking the upper body in between the legs. And just finding a moment to thank yourself for showing up to your mat today. And remember, aging is something that we gotta embrace every day. It's the opportunity that we have to still be here in this world. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed today's practice. Please like and subscribe. And remember, I'm here for you. Today, we're gonna get stronger. We're gonna get more flexible because age is just a number. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Leave me a comment below or reach out to me by Instagram and send me a DM. I love you all. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day wherever you are.